In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Adobe Acrobat i2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place text into a PDF using Acrobat's commenting tools, which is perfect for notes, clarifications, or quick fixes without altering the original document. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you're using the latest interface, you'll see a clean layout with a menu in the upper left corner. Click that menu to reveal your file options. From here, choose Open. This brings up your file browser so you can navigate to the PDF you want to work on. Select the file you need to add text to, then click Open again. Your document will load in the main workspace, ready for annotation. Now shift your attention to the icons along the left-hand toolbar. This is where the annotation and review tools live. Click Add Comment to switch into comment mode. When you do, Acrobat enables a set of tools designed specifically for markup and feedback. Next, choose Insert Text. This tool lets you place text as a comment directly onto the page. Your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to click into the document. Once you select the Insert Text tool, look to the right-hand side of your screen. The Comments panel will appear, and a text box will be ready for you to type into. This panel helps you manage and review everything you add, keeping your notes organized and easy to navigate. Type the text you want to insert. Click on the page where the text should appear and enter your wording in the text box on the right. Keep it clear and specific so anyone reviewing the file understands the purpose of your note. If you placed it in the wrong spot, simply click again where you want it and continue typing. You can also refine your message before finalizing to make sure it reads exactly the way you intend. When you're satisfied, click Post. This commits the comment so it's visible in the document and listed in the Comments panel. You can still select it later to adjust the wording or move its position if needed, but posting ensures your text is captured and easy to find during review or collaboration. That's it. You've added text to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat's Insert Text Comment tool. This method keeps your original document intact while clearly communicating updates or notes to others who open the file. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you practice on your own document.